So this will be like the standard procedure for most automotive companies. They get the product and they scan it.
I have no idea.
A rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful.
Hello, this is Mason at PLM. Today we're going to scan a 2022 Civic Intercooler. And we're going to scan it so we can redesign it. I have a 3D scanner here, Faro Arm.
A rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful. But that beautiful. A rich man's world.
This helps to scan everything accurate to 1,000 of a millimeter. It's a pretty big piece, so it's going to take a few scans to give it. It's important to get all the bold points. Alright, now I've repositioned this thing. We're doing a second scan. It's nice to have this 8-axis turntable.
Can I scan my hand?
Yep.
Can I scan anything?
Yeah, you can scan your face as long as you close your eyes. Just have to make sure the piece doesn't move as I'm scanning. Yeah, if you knock the camera into it or anything like that, we gotta start over. Alright, that's good for that scan. Now I'm gonna flip it over and get the back side. This will give me a full 3D image of it. I'm slow down now because there's a lot of data points it has to take in.
How long does it usually take to scan something like this?
I would say about a half an hour. It used to take longer, but we've gotten quicker. Okay, now I've combined all my scans. So I'm going to clean up one of these little outliers that happen from reflective surfaces and such. Yeah, it's reflective surfaces that mostly cause this. The laser's bouncing around a little bit too much.
Mm.
Alright, I'm going to send it over to my other computer to work on it. And there it is, our scan. A lot of data points for this one, so it didn't come out the best, but you can see our holes, our bolt holes. Alright, I'm going to start with a sketch on this construction plane. Start with our straight lines. Using the mesh to guide me. Get all my sizes. I could always go back and change things or after I verify dimensions. Alright, once I got the basic shape, it's good. There's a circle for the pipe. I'm gonna verify with my calipers. About 47.7 millimeters. Just that where it goes. Then we got bolt holes over here. These look to be about M8.
A rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful. But that beautiful. A rich man's world.
Alright. Now I'm I'm going to extrude it out into a part. I'm going to measure how big this is. 18.5. And that's our first section. If I turn off the mesh, you can see what we're starting to build. Alright, we're going to keep going from there. So we've drawn the whole part.
A rich man's world.